Hi lovely people, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. On today's channel, we are going to show you how to generate multiple reports using pivot tables. And if you don't know how to create a pivot table, we've created a separate video go back and watch it and you'll know how to create pivot tables. Once you're done, you can come and continue with this. If you know already how to create pivot tables, this is how you can generate multiple results. On this particular video, we have column A with our countries, column B, product, column C with the sales that were made from these particular countries. So the very first step you need to do, of course, you need to create a pivot table. Select your data, go on Insert, Pivot Table, click on from table range, always choose a new worksheet, click on OK. You will see that you have this country, product, sales made. At this time, you'll just click on product, click on sales. This is what we have, but since we want to make our data in different, we want to have different sales for different countries, so we have to put our country as a filter, and it will create a filter that has all the different countries. So if you need, let's say for example, you need the sales for Kuwait, click on Kuwait and click on OK. So you will have the data for only Kuwait. Let's rename this to pivot table. Pivot table. Using the long way, we could have just copied this, create a new sheet, rename it to Kuwait, and then paste this data. We'll do this for every country that we have on our sheet, and this is very time consuming. So rather than doing this, the easiest way you can generate multiple results, it's even less than 3 minutes. Let's undo this. Let's undo Kuwait. So the first thing is you create your pivot table. We need to have all. So this is our pivot table. What you need to do is select on the cell that has all. Once you've selected this, you go here on top, select on pivot table, analyze. Once you've clicked on that, on your left, move to pivot table. Under pivot table, click on options. You have 3 options, but we need only show report filter pages. Click on it. Ensure that your country has been clicked on already, and then click on OK. And here goes your data. It's as easy as this, so you don't have to manually create each sheet and put the data there manually. You just use this and you're good to go. So if you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comment section. And if you need something else in Excel that you need us to create a video on, please do that. Otherwise, thank you very much for always liking our content, and subscribe if you really love this content. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.